So hello everyone, in this video we will talk about SOUN stock and the key levels to watch November 24, 2025. In last trading session the stock formed a doji candle closed at $11.22. Now the stock trading below its support level. The key support level is $9.63. If the price goes below $9.63 it could test $8.72. The key resistance level is $13.24. If the price breaks above $13.24 it could test $15.29. That's my view on SOUN stock. So if you found this helpful, please subscribe for more updates. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Thanks for watching.